Hello, lead learners. I need to provide some clarity for you, and again, that's my bad. I have failed to provide the clarity that you need in a situation of win-win forms. When a student receives a win-win form, it is their responsibility to fill out every single part of it except for the parent's signature and your signature. So they need to put their name, the next school day for their lunch detention date, today's date, what time they got it, which lunch they have, first, second, or third, who their third period teacher is, so that we can get their notice to the right place. And then when they fill in the student reflection piece of it, they need to not only describe the event, but they need to describe the impact on themselves and the impact on others. As students completed that exercise in one of the classes last week, that was a practice in how to do this appropriately. We also have some examples of win-win make your own weather for impact on self and impact on others for several of the level 1 behaviors. So the next piece to this is that you have to take off the white copies. The student only gets the yellow copy. The white copy has to be turned into the front office each day. If the student gets the white and yellow copy, the win-win form can completely disappear and no one is the wiser that the student ever got one in the first place. So please make sure to have them complete this. They need to do all of the writing, impact on self, impact on others, and please, I'm asking you, do not put your signature here until you've read it and you agree with what they have said. For example, if a student writes, I asked for a pencil, and you sign that, and the parent reads that, that's not going to make a lot of sense to them about why their child got in trouble. So please make sure that you're having them complete this in a way that actually describes the event, the impact on self, and the impact on others before you sign it. I am all about supporting you in every way that I can, but if it says on the form, I ask for a pencil and a parent calls, I'm not going to be able to speak to that. So the more clarity that you have them provide on this form, the better. Last thing, most important part, is that you keep the white copy and turn it in before the day's end, and the student takes the yellow copy home to be signed. Hope that provided some clarity for you. Sorry that I'm just now doing that. You guys have an awesome day. Thanks.